ज़ायरा वसीम ने किया रिएक्ट अपने सोशल मीडिया कंट्रोवर्सी पर। एक लंबे पोस्ट के जरिए कही दिल की बात। आइए बताते हैं कि आखिर उनका क्या कहना है। ज़ायरा ने लोकस अटैक्स को लेकर कहा था कि ये ऊपर वाले का कहर है और इस बात को लोगों ने जमकर किया ट्रोल और इन ट्रोल्स के बाद उन्होंने अपने अकाउंट को भी डीएक्टिवेट कर लिया था। लेकिन ज़ायरा के सोशल मीडिया पर वापसी करने पर कई सवाल फिर उठे और इसीलिए उन्होंने जस्टिफिकेशन देते हुए ट्वीट किया, Because I am just a human like everyone else who is allowed to take a break from everything whenever the noise inside my head or around me reaches its peak. अब उनको लेकर हो रहे सोशल मीडिया कंट्रोवर्सी से तंग आकर फाइनली ज़ायरा ने लिखा एक लंबा पोस्ट। ज़ायरा का कहना था, अस्सलाम वालेकुम अंकल फतेह। While I too agree, making claims like this is a wrath or a curse when the world is going through so much is a really insensitive one. I wish to also emphasize that making a claim on our own as big as it's a wrath or curse of Allah upon any land is a statement one is making on behalf of Allah, which is actually a religiously irresponsible one and a sin, and also a claim I never made, let alone mock anyone, for the knowledge of the actual reality of a calamity that befalls anyone, whether it's a test, punishment, or a blessing, only lies with Allah, the Sovereign. And we cannot and must not make such claims on our own. Any ayah from the Quran cannot be interpreted in isolation. It's understood in the context of when, why and to whom it was revealed. We don't rely on your own understanding of the Quran, but turn to how the scholars have explained the proper meaning of the text based on what our Prophet and early Muslims were upon, and we must stick to that to understand the Quran. Not casual glances we take at the representations of others with a biased leaning. Every event mentioned in the Quran is not for us to just read and put it behind our backs, but it's for everyone to reflect upon. So relate unto them stories, perhaps they may reflect and extract lessons to structure the paths of our lives on individual and collective levels and turn to Allah in obedience. And thus do we explain in detail the verses and perhaps they will return. My tweet was completely taken out of context and blown out of proportion, and none of the opinions, whether good or bad, define the reality of my intentions, for that is between me and my Rabb, and something which I am not even going to explain, for I am only accountable to Allah and not His creation. We must at least enhance our opinions with the better representations of it by those who were well equipped to complete our spectrum of opinion, and not just with passive acceptance of other people's representations of the Quran, not even mine. The world is going through a rough time and a lot of hatred and bigotry already. The least we could do is not add more to it. Let's not hamper the possibility of change by letting our alternate beliefs, where we gather evidence to support our existing beliefs and soak up evidence that fits well with us, and keep discounting and distorting evidence that doesn't fit. Let's not allow it to prevent us from actually seeking out the truth and fact. Let's not keep resorting to escape or avoidance, but instead keep challenging our thinking, keep confronting and re-examine biased beliefs. And as I always say, when we seek the truth, we seek it with humility. Rest, Allah knows best. May Allah protect us and ease all our troubles and burdens. P.S. I'm not an actress anymore. आपका क्या कहना है ज़ायरा वसीम के इस रिएक्शन के बारे में? हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना ना भूलें. Also do like, follow and subscribe to Bollywood Now on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.